In 1983, 6 armed men broke into London's most secure warehouse, expecting £3 million in cash. Instead, they found the biggest treasure in British criminal history. The Brinksmat security warehouse was supposed to be impenetrable, but security guard Anthony Black had given them everything: warehouse plans, alarm codes, inside information. The robbers weren't prepared for what they discovered: 3 tons of gold bullion, £26 million worth, over 6,800 gold bars. They poured gasoline on the guards and threatened to burn them alive to get into the vault. The getaway van nearly collapsed under the weight of all that gold. But here's where it gets dark. Most of the gold vanished forever, melted down and sold through legitimate dealers while nobody was watching. Then the gang started killing each other, one by one. Paranoia destroyed them from the inside. Decades later, police are still investigating. Multiple trials, corruption scandals, bodies piling up. The gold that was supposed to make them rich became their death sentence.